Alright guys, so problem we got right now is all these deer are following the main trail and then they are funneled this way. And we're gonna have a water hole up here with a stand up there with wind blowing that way. So we want to hinge cut this tree here so that forces them to either go this way or that way instead of going that way away from our stand. So we want to go about yay high. All right. So weigh it one more time. Perfect. So,
see that? Tree should still live.
So now, we just gotta find some brush and put it right here so that the deer don't go under this. And it should force them either this way or up that way. Just basically just like this.
Make it so they can't travel there.
Make it so they can't go under here. Hopefully it forces them this way. Perfect.